it going? My name is Mr. Salsa, and in this video, we're going to be learning a fun move called el Mambo Swing. Without further ado, let's get right into it. 5, 6, somos uno, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, una más. Nice and slow, el Mambo Swing. Cross with the left leg on the 1, back with the right on 2, out with the left on 3. Mambo does variation, but at an angle this time. Tap on 4, out 5. Tap in front on 6, out 7. Now from here, what's going to happen next? Bring the right foot together on the 8 and use that momentum to help you swing that foot across and bring it in front like so to repeat the whole process again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try a little bit faster. And 1, 2, 3. Here we go. El Mambo Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, time to add the hands. So just like our previous video, El Bonche, when we went across on 6, pull out 7. Do the exact same thing, but now do it on 7, pull out 8. Okay, you'll see why. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now notice that momentum here will pull me across. You saw how my body was pulling back, right? We want that so that I can go across and swing to the next motion, right? Now this swing here, the flick of the wrist, pretend you have a little lasso and you're catching someone and you'd be like, come here girl, okay, but in all seriousness, with this lasso effect, or like little flick of the motion, the flick of the wrist, we're going to use that to help us get to that Mambo Swing and have that slight delay effect that we need to make this move feel more smoother on the dance floor. So let me show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, nice and slow. And 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. So you see that? 8 and 1. It kind of pulled me back and gave that extra oomph that I need, or that extra delay, to make sure my next step comes back on time and has a beautiful swing motion that I want to get out of this move. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more educational, entertaining videos. Muchas gracias. And now, back to the lesson in halftime with music and then at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. El Mambo Swing. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. Here we go. El Mambo Swing. Y again, el Mambo Swing. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To watch more videos of previous moves that we learned, make sure to click the video at the end screen to continue your salsa journey. Muchas gracias. My name is Mr. Salsa. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, your friends. Y hasta la próxima.